Welcome to our channel. If you want to use the Headspace app to manage anxiety through meditation and mindfulness exercises, follow these step-by-step instructions designed specifically for beginners. Step 1. Download the Headspace app from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account. You can start with a free trial to explore the features. Step 2. After signing up, complete the brief onboarding questionnaire about your experience with meditation and your primary goals, such as reducing anxiety. Step 3. On the home screen, tap on Explore or Browse and look for the Stress and Anxiety category, or use the search function to find anxiety-specific content. Step 4. Start with the Basics course if you're new to meditation. This foundational series teaches you breathing techniques and mindfulness principles essential for managing anxiety. Step 5. Choose a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position and use headphones for the best audio experience. Step 6. Begin your first anxiety meditation session, which typically lasts 3 to 10 minutes for beginners. Follow the instructor's guidance on breathing and body awareness. Step 7. Practice regularly, ideally at the same time each day, to build a consistent habit. Even just 5 minutes daily can significantly reduce anxiety levels over time. Step 8. Track your progress using the app's statistics feature, which shows your meditation streak and total minutes practiced, helping you stay motivated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.